Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now fold our triangle from one corner and then the other and press it well. Now fold the upper edge towards the bottom and press it. Again fold it upwards and press. And then from the other side, press it. Now fold a leaf type shape towards the crease from one side and then the other. Turn it and fold towards the mark. Fold to the bottom. Now fold leaf type shape from one side and repeat this step from the other. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glass of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now fold from the bottom edges and press it. Press. Now form the shape of the wings. Like this. Now giving final touches to the plane surfaces and its structure. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.